Hello viewers, this is IT Learning Tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we learn how to encrypt Excel document in Excel sheet. So sometimes it became important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. At first you open a Excel sheet and by default it open tab, file tab, home tab. We go to file tab and click this tab and find many options. In these options we find into go to protect workbook and click these options, and in the below we find encrypt with password. Click these options and find encrypt document windows. In this windows we create password, just password 123 4 and click OK and re-enter your password 234, click OK, and in this file are encrypted with password. We see when we open and this file, it is encrypt password. We just give password 123 4. It is open. Another go to long password. We want to see 325, click OK. It is encrypted. The password you supply is not correct. Ability that the caps lock key is off and should use the current capitalism. It is noticed. We give exact password. We open this document. Give 1 2 3 4, click OK and it is open. In this way we encrypt your Excel document and protect from hacker or other employee. So if this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe my channel, keep watching next tutorial.